Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to make test spelling or quiz. This is an example of answering a spelling test. First word should be orange. Then it will display the word correct and then make that sound just now. So second word is apple. See? And then the third word is book. So if all correct, we'll have the score of 3 and then this one will show. Then we're going to ask some question. Go to sensing, then choose this one. This is the first question you want to ask. First word means first word to key in for the test spelling. Then go to control, you choose if then else. Then go to the operator, we choose this one with the equals one. Then go to sensing, then we choose answer. Means what's the question's answer supposed to be? So I type orange. The correct answer is orange. Then I go to looks. I type correct. Means if the answer is orange, then it will display the word correct. Then I go to variables. I choose this one. Click score. Means when the answer is correct, it will add 1 to the score. So the score will change from 0 to 1. So when the answer is correct, we also make a sound. So we go to the sound there, click here, choose a sound. Then we put ta ta. We choose this sound. Then go back to the code there. We go to sound. So we choose this one. Start sound tada means if the answer is correct, it will make this sound. Else, if it's wrong, we go to this one, looks. Then choose this one. Put wrong means the answer is wrong. Then we go to the sounds again. We choose another sound. Just type DUN, so we choose this one, this sound. Then go to the code there. Then go to sound. We choose this one, start sound dun dun dun. So for the second question, you just copy from here. Put your mouse on here, this block, right click, choose duplicate. So you put here, you type second word. So the answer is apple. Change here. Then we click here on this block, right click, then choose duplicate. So put here, then we change to third word. Change this apple to book, means the third word is book. Then we add another sprite, search for gift. So we put the coding for this gift. Make sure this gift is clicked. So we go to the events, we choose when click, then go to the looks, you choose hide. Means when we first start this spelling test, it will hide this gift. Only when the three answers are correct, then this gift will show. And then this girl will be hidden. Then go back to AB. We choose if then from control. Then we go to the operator. We choose the equals one. Change to 3. Go to the variables. We choose score. Then we go to loops. Choose this one. Type congratulations. All correct. Then choose hide. If all answers are correct, it will display congratulations, all correct. Then go to events, choose this one. Broadcast message 1 and wait. Means this is to tell that this conjuration is message 1. Means broadcast this message 1. Then we go to the give again. Then choose when I receive message 1 means just now if the word congratulations are displayed and then this gift will receive this message, congratulation message, then it will show the gift. So go to the loops, then choose show. Then I want to make some sound. After the answers are all correct, so go to the sound there and choose clapping. Go to sound, then choose this one. Play sound clapping until done. So let us see how it runs. So first word is orange. Second word is apple. Third word is blue. Let's say if the first word is wrong. So it will display the word wrong and then it will have a different sound or music.